Now it's in the part 3. Now I think I already covered some in Java question, but still, I think I can still do the part until part 4, part 5. Yeah, let's quickly start it. No, what is the string? It's very is popular question. Yeah, no, so first we know a string is immutable data which cannot modify once it's created. It's basic. You must be know if you are a CS student. Now, why string is immutable? So the first thing we can start from the efficiency. If a lot of string object with the same one is created, the JVM simply return a reference to the existing object in the pool rather than creating new objects. That can significantly improve the performance and memory usage of Java applications. So security thing, the Spring object cannot be immutable, right? So no one can modify once they are created. So this means that sensitive information such as password or this one can be stored in a string object without the risk of name being modified by malicious code. But sometimes because we cannot modify, but it's the benefit, right? But we're also in the drawback because we cannot modify. So if a hacker get in, he doesn't need to modify, right? He just read it because we cannot it can easily to read it. So also it's problem here actually. Now let's see it is of use. So I in the previous video I say in the hash map, right, the key must be immutable. So here next one maybe in the interview I ask you what is the good data type for the hash for the key on the hash map. Then we ask you this way. So here you can mention I can use the string because string objects are immutable. So they are the thread safe and can be safely shared among multiple threads without the risk of data the race condition. Additionally, the string object can be used as key in the hash map. You can see here. So as an element in the set, in a set, the key also must be immutable. So because say internally use the map interface. So the map interface also have two columns. First column is key and the second column is value. But first column can be value, can store the value, and the second column it just the second column is the boolean, so which can is kind of like status, and then this bucket already be used or not. If yes, the boolean column will turn into the true. True mean no one is already store something there. So the false mean nothing in the bucket, nothing in the particular bucket. So that's why you can insert the new value into the particular bucket. Yeah. Now here you can see in the first I mentioned the Spring pool. I think you need to know is also you must be know because maybe we ask you if even though you want to just graduate or you are entry level, it's I think it's possible asking you maybe. Now here example. Now here they will ask you. You say, "Yeah, if you your answer the string is immutable." Okay. Then we ask how to improve the string immutable. So here you can see the string is Java. String A is Java. String 2 also be assigned Java. So you can see the out print. So you find out is print true because this S1 S2 will be stored in the string pool. They will share the same reference, same memory. And the string pool is maintained in the heap memory. So if you have experience of Java developer, they must be ask you what is the stack and the heap memory is very high possible getting us. Yeah. Now here's because Java is already in a Spring Pool, because and when S2 has the same value, so S2 will point to the same reference, because S1 will be S1 will check the Spring Pool already have the job or not. If already there, okay, S2 will directly get the reference to point to the same reference. So yes, you can see it's mutable because. And then now let's go to, so I think the concept also popular. So now we ask in the StringBuilder and StringBuffer. So we know string is immutable, so you can see in the first line. Now you can quickly go see in the StringBuffer and the StringBuilder mutable classes. StringBuffer operation are thread safe and synchronized. Whereas StringBuilder operation are not thread safe. So when multiple threads are working on the same string, so when should use the StringBuffer? But if single threaded environment, we should be use the StringBuilder. And StringBuilder performance faster than the StringBuffer because of no overhead or synchronization. Synchronization means one thread need to wait until another thread complete its execution. So need to wait for response. What is the synchronization means? So maybe I need to maybe next topic, maybe next video I will provide this one. Now here is the what is string pool. Okay, string pool is pencil memory region in the Java heap memory where strings are stored. It's the part of Java string interleaving mechanism designed to save money and improve performance. So let me so I draw this diagram. So here, so because here is double quote, right? If you are using double quote this way, so which means the PP first will, because we know the Java program will start from top to bottom, right? One line by line. So here he will read this string one, PP assigned to string one, right? String one will be stored in here, and now here we finish the first line. The JVM we call the second line. The second line, your PP, the PP will be, because PP already stored in the string pool. Okay, here, sorry, the string pool is this one. Is this one. Now outside this one is the heap memory. So now here we have string S is we assign a CC to the string S. So here, because we know CC is not created in the string pool, so the CC will be stored in the second bucket. Now actually they have two different ways, right? First way we using the double quote. The second way we can use the new operator. New operator mean you will create object in the heap memory. So you can see AA, you will AA stored in this heap memory. If you have a lot of string object, maybe a new string something, maybe T1, and the T1 will be also be stored in the heap memory, because we are using a new operation, so you need to remember what's the difference here, because new operator, which means you just create new memory address, right, in the heap. So now if maybe you have maybe you have the two, you can create a second AA using the new operator. Okay, the A will in a different memory in the heap. So now they're in a different memory. The first AA here, the second A here, you can see these two AA in the heap memory. So we know if we are using the equal operation, they will be different, right? Because Java JVM will comparing the memory address, not their value. So we need to take care of this. And then let's go back to the. So it's the heap memory and the stack memory. So in this one also is you must be know, but only you are have experience. Now I think it's already deep divide. Now I think let's get into it. So the stack is used to store function code. The heap is used to store objects. So we know like here we will store right this object right because we're using a new operator. No, it's used to store object. Heap memory is divided into old generation, young generation, and the permanent generation. I remember I got asked in this question. Not much time is everything. I think the question is depending on the interviewer, right? Maybe some interviewer will ask this one, some interviewer will not. So I think you still need to prepare. So and also they will ask stack. Maybe he never ask stack or flow. What happened this one because it keep asking. Because we when we have the stack overflow, it's always happening in the recursion. So you keep asking the function, and maybe you cannot start somewhere. Maybe you provide the true. So always keep asking down until reach out of the start memory. So you will get the start overflow. And the heap memory, just I mentioned, is using to store an object. You can memorize this way. And then next time we will talk about the old generation something. So next question, I got asked. So only you have experience. If you're not, you don't need to prepare this one. And old generation is store the long surviving objects. The young generation just store newly created objects. It's easy to understand, right? The permanent generation store metadata related to classes and methods. So it mentors permanent generation is deprecated in Java 8. So nowadays we this is not part of heap memory anymore. So you can tell the interviewer this way. They will say, "Oh wow, you know this one. You know, okay, permanent generation is deprecated." Yeah. Okay, sorry. Now here, maybe some interview will ask you what change in the memory management in Java 8. Here you can mention permanent generation is replaced by replace. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I use the B here. I want to use the by. 1 second. The by mental space, which is new memory space. Purging means the form of purging means permanent generation. Permanent generation had a fixed maximum size that had to be specified and start using the JVM option. If application needed more space for class, for the metadata, the name was allocated, it could lead to out of the memory area because you need to specify. It's kind of like array, right? Before using array, we need to define the size. We need to mention the size to the array. But sometimes maybe we want to, for example, in the beginning, initially you just define the 20 for the array, but sometimes you want more. Maybe you want to store more elements in the array. Maybe 30, you have 30 elements here. It's same logic, right? So sometimes maybe you cannot control same always constantly changing, right? We cannot control in reality, right? So here, that's why permanent generation is replaced by the mental space. Mental space can dynamically resize based on the need of application. It help to avoid many out of memory issue that were common with the purging. Actually, the purging can be even can be manually modified in the size, but if manually modify the size, it's not efficient, right? So that's why here is mental space come out coming into our picture. Now, here's difference between the equal operation and the operator and the equal method. Now, equal operator is used to compare the memory address of two objects. So equals method is used to compare the content of two objects. So also only got ASCII in you just graduate. When you just graduate, I don't think they will ask you if you have experience, but I'm not sure because uh the interviews is different, right? Now, thank you for watching this video.